RTO, Return to Origin. Return to origin is when a shipment does not get delivered to the buyer and must travel back to the shipper. When a shipment cannot be delivered to the buyer after a delivery partner attempt, the shipment can be sent back to the shipper. RTOs are bad for business and must be monitored diligently. RTO cases are normally 10 to 20 times higher in COD shipments than in prepaid shipments. However, COD options can boost sales. To see a summary, go to Intelligence on the Vamaship panel and then RTO. RTO incurs a two-way cost and does not yield sales. So it is a cause of concern for shippers. Decide if you want to allow COD shipments to the worst performing zones or states. Evaluate the delivery partners on their RTO shipments. You are in control here. Want to know if that improved your order verification process you started last month? Is helping reduce the RTO numbers? Look at the trends to find out. You can filter by delivery partner, by shipping zone, and by shipment date. We can recommend a few steps that the shipper can make to control RTOs. First, shippers can confirm COD orders with their customers before dispatching the shipment. Shippers can fill NDR by checking non-delivery actions available on the panel and can fill in the next course of actions as per requirement. Third, disable COD for at-risk pin codes. This way, shippers can reduce their RTO percentage. For more information on the subject, please do visit our knowledge base. Thank you.